Hey beautiful family, what's up, what's good? Welcome back to my channel. In case you're just seeing this face for the first time, I'm HD Signatures. I'm going to be doing an ombre colored brows tutorial today. So if you guys are interested, please keep on watching and let's just jump right into this tutorial. I'll see you in my next one. Bye guys. To start with this ombre colored brows tutorial, I'm going to go ahead and use my lash glue. I'm going to use that to keep the brow hairs in place. Trust me guys, you want to do this if you want to have like a very flawless ombre color brows. You want to make sure you tame it down, your brows head. You don't have to use a lash glue. You can use a brow tamer if you have that one. So I'm using the lash glue because I don't have the brow tamer. I'm going to use the spoolie that comes with this brow pencil to set this down. So after that, I'm going to go ahead and use my foundation on top of that, is to cancel out the brow hairs and to also serve as a primer for the color you're going to be placing on your brows. So guys, when you fill in your brows with the foundation or your concealer, I'm going to go ahead and use this concealer. I'm putting this at the back of my hand. The reason why I'm doing this is to give it some time to get tacky. So you're not going to set the foundation or the concealer on your brows. If you're using, I would advise you use a concealer that gets tacky, or a foundation that is thick that gets tacky, so it doesn't get runny on your brows. So after that, I'm going to go ahead and make use of the eyeshadow, Morphe eyeshadow palette, and that is what we're going to be using to create our ombre look. First off, I'm going to be going into the orange and place it where I want it to be. So you place the orange first. I'm going to go ahead and pick up the white, the beginning part of the brows. Then I'll go ahead and pick the third shade, which is the deep pink, more like purple. I'm going to blend this last color into the middle color. You know, it's just like when you're doing your eyeshadow or maybe you're doing your lipstick. It's just the same process. So I'm going to go back again into the orange and blend that into the third color. So I'm wiping off my brush so I don't transfer colors. So I'm going to take this into the orange and I'll bring the orange back into the white. That's what you need to keep doing till you are satisfied with the outcome. So guys, this is it. I'm going to go ahead and clean it up. Don't forget your promise when the money comes. Don't say I'm not your standard anymore. I go swear for you, baby, while I eat that life. Promise you won't go away. Trips to Paris when we are the things I like. Signs you delivered, baby boy, I'm yours. I go pray for you, baby, with all of my heart. Forever I still get baby. So guys, can you see? You can already tell that this concealer looks thick. So I'm going to use a blending brush to tap this into my skin. And if you really want the colored ombre brows to stand out really well, you want it to really come out well, use a concealer that is 2 shades lighter than your skin color. It's going to make the brows to look a lot bright. So for the top side, I'm going to use the color that is not as dark, as bright as the one I used in the lower part. So I'm going to start somewhere around here. When you place your concealer, always drag it out so you don't have like a straight line at the top of your brows. And if you're working with a concealer that has this tendency of drying out real quick, please go ahead and blend it out first before you go over the other areas you want to conceal. So I'm just going to use my brush to blend this part out. So doing this will really emphasize your brows, how bright or how dark your brows should be. And this look really beautiful when it's photographed, like it will look like you paste it there. I'm going to use a detail brush to add the last color to the tail part of my brows, just to extend that out. Okay guys, so this is the finished look. So I'm going to go back to pick the white shade. So I'm going to go back and add the white eyeshadow. So this is the ombre colored brows. What do you guys think about these brows? I like it so much. I love the fact that I use warm tone colors. It makes it look really flattering on my skin. So guys, let me know down in the comment section if you like this ombre colored brows. So you can go through this same process for one colored brows. Maybe you want to use blue, purple, whatever colors you want to use. So just go through this process. Trust me guys, it's going to save you a whole lot. Let me know down in the comment section if you guys really enjoyed this tutorial, and let me know if you guys are going to be going through this process and also you're going to be doing a colored brows on yourself. Let me know all that down in the comment section. Please don't forget to subscribe to this channel and turn on the notification bell. I'll see you in my next one. Bye guys.